Congratulations on your decision to buy a new home. My name is Elizabeth, and in this series of videos, I'm going to be taking you through the purchase process so that you know what to expect along the way. Keep these tips in mind to help showings go smoothly. Most sellers will request that you remove your shoes before walking through the house. Make sure you wear shoes that are easy to slip on and off, and wear socks so you aren't walking through the home barefoot. It's acceptable to check out the finishes and condition of the cabinetry by opening a couple kitchen drawers or a cabinet. But remember, most likely the furniture is not for sale, so avoid lounging on that sofa. A good rule of thumb is, if it's for sale, you can check it out. If it's not, try not to touch. And if children have accompanied you to the showing, please make sure they keep their hands to themselves. Envisioning yourself in each home you see is fun. You imagine your furniture in each room, you dream about entertaining in your new kitchen or relaxing in your new backyard. But don't forget about the boring stuff. Look at the roof, check out the condition of the windows, and take a peek in the furnace room to see how old the equipment is. When you have a contract on a home, the home inspector will assess these things with a trained eye. But it doesn't hurt to get an idea of how much work, and therefore money, a home might need even before you decide to put in an offer. It is not uncommon for sellers to set up audio and video recording devices during showings. It's best to assume that you're always being recorded. Be careful not to discuss your financial situation or how much you absolutely must have the house. You don't want to give away your negotiating position. It's also best to avoid poking fun at personal effects or design choices. Don't say anything you wouldn't want the sellers to hear. Your realtor has individually scheduled the showing for each home on your tour. He or she will keep you on track with timing from house to house. You can help keep time too. If you walk into the first few rooms of a house and you know it's not the one, you don't have to walk around the whole place just because. If you know this house isn't going to be the one, there's no need to discuss how you change or improve it. Moving efficiently out of houses you don't want helps give you time to spend in the houses that have potential. Lastly, make sure you have a full tank of gas and have eaten before the tour begins. Also, make sure you use the restroom before your tour begins. Worst case, you can use a seller's bathroom, but they don't really love that. This is an exciting time, so most importantly, have fun and enjoy your search for your new home. After you have a contract on a property, the next step is the home inspection. I'll be back then to let you know what to expect. Happy searching!